there, and welcome to week 17 of my hair care journey. All right, and here I am with my charming charcoal, lathering up and cleaning my hair up good. Alright, so I've rinsed out all the luscious suds, and now it is time to deep condition and detangle with none other than the tempting tonic. It's the bomb. So I lost very little hair, which is just awesome. And I let it sit for 30 minutes and then I rinsed it out. And now it is time for the styling. Ooh. So when I style, I use my gel, I use my styling cream, and my leave-in conditioner, though in reverse order. And then I've been just doing flat twists, the chunky ones, because I just love them. So I finished that up in like a minute and a half. Ultimately magical. So anyway, I let it dry overnight, and then I woke up the next morning before work and took it all down. So despite that face I was just making 2 seconds ago, I really do like the style. I like the results. I like the way they turn out. Like no frizz, or very minimal frizz, but lots of curls, and they stay really nice and firm. And for the most part, unless I truly mistreat them, which sometimes I do, they last about a week. So this is day 2, or the day after, and you'll notice there was no bonnet removal. That's because I didn't sleep with one. I decided to get this bright idea and buy a satin pillowcase on Amazon and just sleep all over my hair. Still turned out pretty well. Okay, and here is day 3, and the same deal, no bonnet, just satin pillowcase, and wake up and fluff, fluff, fluff. Alright, so I didn't catch the rest of the days, but they were all, pretty on par with this one. Still look pretty good all the way up to the end of the week. So that's the end for this week, and thanks for coming by.